everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. If you want to see how I got this look using this Violet Voss Ride or Die palette with 42 colors in it. This is what it looks like on the inside. Look. Alright, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back. We're going to do a look today with the Violet Voss Ride or Die palette. I have not tried this palette yet. I've had it since Christmas. And this is what it looks like. So it is going to be an adventure. It does have a mirror. It's huge. And there are 42 shades in here, I think. It's a lot. It's just a lot. I have to sit it down. It's so big. Oh, I'm like, what did I get this for? All right. So we are gonna go start digging into this a little bit. And I'm going to put this color right here on all over my eye, because this is going to be, I'm getting ready to go out. I gotta get a haircut. I need to get a manicure. Bad. And yeah. It's going to be a busy day. So what shall we ever do? I'm liking these yellows and oranges. Alright, I'm going to go into, and these are all girls' names. Like what I was just in was April. That's my sister's name. And I'm getting ready to go into Erica. Well, maybe not. Abigail. This one. So we'll go into that and do that as a transition shade. I really do like the Violet Voss palettes. I have several of them. And I just think they perform really good, and they're expensive, don't get me wrong. You gotta pay for it, but I do like it. I think today when I get back, we're gonna have to do a palette declutter. We got some problems. Alright, what else are we gonna do? Alright, I think I'm going to go into this Alice, which is this shade right here. I'm sorry, you can't see it. It's that shade right there. And we'll put that in our crease. Alice into our crease. Alright. Oh, there's too many choices here. I think we're going to go into a Sarah, this shade down here, and we're going to, let me go back into Alice for a minute. We're going to deepen up the outer part of the eye. Sarah's kind of like a brick color. See how it does. Does it stay brick or does it go orange? I feel like an artist holding their palette, painting someone. I know I'm silly. Silly. Just silly girl. Looks like we're gonna be wearing something yellowish today. I have a jumper, like a summer jumpsuit that I'd like to wear today. It's got all kinds of colors in it. The background's yellow, but it's got all kinds of shades in it. Or maybe I'll just wear black. When in doubt, wear black. Maybe I'll wear black, and I have a yellow blouse. Okay. So now we're going to go into this Jessica shade right here. That one. Jessica. I have a very good friend named Jessica. Sometimes she watches my videos. She's my girl. A very old friend from when I was young. When we were both young. She thinks she's still young. Ha! Shit, I think I'm still young. Till my bones start talking to me. Love you, JJ. So I have not put any, I didn't wet my brush or anything, but I am gonna try. See what happens when I do that. I was just gonna like wet and go back on my eye. That's not what we're doing here. I can feel yellow getting on my face. I am digging into this yellow. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but I'm digging in. Dig it. That is yellow. That's very yellow. So, then I'm going to go in with a lighter yellow. Maybe. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm going to go in with a shade called it's this one, Stephanie. I also had a good friend when I was a kid named Stephanie. She was my next door neighbor. I don't know if Steph watches my videos. I mean, we stay in touch via, social media and stuff. She's living, up near where we grew up, and I have moved away. Makes it tough to see people. But we were the best of friends as kids. The bestest of friends. Okay. I think so many choices. I think I'm gonna go into this Ella right here. It's this shade. And I'm gonna, you're like, can you put the mirror down? Sorry. Let's see if Ella goes on in my inner corner. Pretty good. I don't want anything dramatic, but yes, Ella, yes. 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 hairdresser's out of town again. She's so good. She's really hard to get into. So another gal's been just trimming me up lately. Makes me feel so bad. I gotta go to TJ Maxx. I haven't been in TJ Maxx in like a month. Longer than that, maybe. Because I haven't. Alright, we're going to go back into that Alice, that orange, and put that under the eye. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Ride or die. Now, how can you go back? How can you go into a palette that's so big with so much color in it and do the same look you always do? It's a little odd to me. I think this is going to be it for the day. I got through a lot of my palettes. Maybe I'll film more when I get back. Maybe. See what's in the mail. I don't think I'll be doing my makeup any. See something on this, out of the corner of my eye on my nose. These little sample things are so tiny. But I just ordered some MAC stuff, so. My under eyes are so crazy looking. Mac, you're not doing it for me today. Sorry, guys. But I have to get closer. Must be nice out because all my neighbors are out mucking in the yard. Through the mud and the muck. We have got to put some powder on. That's not what I'm looking for. That's not what I'm looking for. Maybe I can do it with this. I'm trying to get some powder under my eyes. That's from doing my videos. It's kind of depleted. This is that Urban Decay stuff. This goes everywhere. It'll make me sneeze. It's a little bit better. Oh, you guys have seen me stretch and yawn so much. You're like, what the hell is wrong with her? going to put a little bit of this Dose of Colors lip gloss on. Okay. Today is a lip gloss kind of day. Alright, guys. So, what do you think about my look with the Violet Voss Pro Palette Ride or Die? I like it. I like it. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching and being so supportive of me. I love you so much. Mwah.